Assalamualaikum, and my name is Nurshafiqah. Today I will explaining the detailed air freight process for high value electronic cargo and how this process is different from standard air freight handling. So the process begins with booking and pre-shipment preparation. High value electronic must be booked through special secure services. This include notifying the freight forwarder about the nature and value of the shipment. Proper insurance coverage is arranged and the cargo is packed using anti-static materials, shock absorbance foam, and tamper evidence seals. And next, when the cargo arrives at the air terminal, it goes through cargo acceptance and documentation. For high value shipment, documentation is more detailed, including invoice packaging list, airwell bills, insurance, and special handling instruction. Ground staff verify the physical condition of the cargo and ensure everything matches the paperwork. The third step is security screening. High value electronic go through intensive security procedures such as X-ray, physical inspection, and sometimes even sniffer dog. This is all done under strict surveillance to prevent tampering or theft. After security, the cargo is stored at the airport terminal. For high value goods, this means secure, access control storage, sometimes even strong room or vault-like space with 24/7 CCTV monitoring. These shipments are kept separate from general cargo and are loaded quickly to avoid risk. When it is time to load, high-value electronic are escorted and placed carefully into the aircraft. Special handling instructions are followed to avoid shock or vibration. Sometimes the cargo is placed in temperature-controlled or cushion containers. While in the air or during transit stop, high-value shipments are closely monitored. Some may track in real time using GPS and placed in climate control section at the aircraft. At transit point, handler checks seal and documentation to prevent error. Once the plane lands, high-value cargo is offloaded first and moved to a secure custom inspection area. Custom clearance is usually pre-arranged and handled quickly to reduce risk. And finally, the shipment is delivered to the consignee using secure transportation like GPS track truck and sometimes with escort. The recipient must show proof of identity and also sign for the cargo. This level of control and security is rarely applied to normal air freight delivery, which often use standard courier services.
Aircraft handling and configuration. It consists of 4 onboard handling requirement, loading protocols, aircraft configuration, and special equipment and modification. Onboard handling requirement is high values electronics, which are very sensitive to stress, vibration, temperature changes, and electrostatic discharge. To protect them, they must be packed in shock absorbing materials and stored in lockable secure compartments of the aircraft, equipped with surveillance systems. Loading protocols: only trained and certified personnel should handle this cargo. During loading, the goods should be placed near the aircraft center of gravity or net to bulkheads to reduce shock and turbulence. Real-time tracking using barcodes or RFID is essential for visibility and security. Aircraft configuration. Wide-body freighters like the Boeing 747F and 777F are preferred due to their advanced climate control system and large capacity. These aircraft offer compartments with temperatures between 15 Celsius and 25 Celsius and include tamper-proof blocks and surveillance. Special equipments and modifications. Special ULDs with GPS, tamper evidence seals, and fire-resistant containers are used, especially for items containing lithium batteries. Temperature and humidity sensors are added for continuous monitoring with alerts in case of unsafe conditions.
And also the airline. So for the high value cargo like mobile phone, it must mark with VLL for safety handling. If there is mistake, it will affect for delay of the shipment and also affect the insurance claim. Number 2 is commission cost, which is used by the customer to calculate the claims and also the taxes. It must include the correct value, HS code, and also certificate of origin. It also must support the payment terms like eco-terms and also the insurance claim. So number 3 is packing list. What is packing list? So packing list is the shipment details like numbers of boxes, weight, and also handling instruction. It used by customs and also airlines to verify and also safety cargo handling. Number 4 is strategic good export. This permit required for dual-use goods like egg chips. It is under Malaysia Strategic Good Act. It prevents illegal export of sensitive technology that can be used for military or civilian purposes. Next is number 5. So the number 5 is certificate of origin. This certificate is proof where the product is made. It helps to reduce tariff under agreement like RCEP or AFTA. Without it, importers may pay penalty or face rejection. Number 6 is cargo insurance certificate. This certificate protects cargo from damage, thief, and also losses. It's essential for high value shipment and may be required under CIF trade terms and custom in risky routes. Last one is shipper's declaration for security. This declaration is needed for dangerous goods like lithium-ion battery. It used for airlines and customs to verify for safe packaging and also handling. By not declaring it, it will cause delay and also fines.
Hi, transporting high-value electronic is not just about moving the boxes, it's about protecting the innovation. The key challenges in transporting high-value electronics is extreme temperature. Extreme temperature can cause damage to the package, such as condensation, corrosion, and static damage. So, companies like Intel use insulated covers and also climate control containers to protect the package. The next challenge is regulatory and custom. Here come the paperwork. high-value electronic needs export license, misformed and the shipment will be seized. The third challenges in transporting high-value electronics is coordination between airlines and freight forwarders. Success in logistic movement depends on tight coordination between airlines, freight forwarders and also ground handlers. Real-time tracking and timely check will prevent costly delays. From factory to final delivery, precision logistics will track every chip, every circuit, every step of the way. Assalamualaikum.
Many things influence how much it costs to ship electronic devices. First, the weight of the package is important. The heavier the packages usually cost more to send. Second, the distance of the package travels is affect the prices. The longer the distance, it tends to be more expensive. This includes the size of the devices, how fragile it is, and how valuable it is. The table shows the estimate cost for shipping different types of electronics devices. There are some documentation fees. These include the commercial invoice, the packaging list, the airway bills, and the export license. These are extra charges to cover the extra precautions, security measures, and service required to securely transport high-value electronic items.